2017 Volvo XC90 recalled for seatbelt fix. Volvo has issued a recall for its 2017 model year XC90 SUVs over concerns a component for one of the third-row seatbelt pretensioners could detach in a collision. The Swedish company reports the right-hand side seatbelt pretensioner for the third row of seating may have been produced incorrectly. Volvo says the seatbelt itself will operate as normal for general use, though a small part of the assembly could detach in a crash. If the condition occurs, the part could bounce into the passenger area, increasing the risk of injury to occupants. Affected XC90 SUVs fall within the VIN range 133,955 and 143,647. Owners of the recalled units are advised to contact their local Volvo dealer to arrange for the repair of their XC90.